Hi, I'm Dr. David Hill, and today we're going to be talking about using slippery elm baby powder on babies. Now, slippery elm is a tree that has a long history of being used as a medicinal herb. The first settlers to the United States found the Native Americans using it, especially to help with wounds. They also found that it was soothing for problems like sore throats, and the part of the slippery elm that's used is the bark. But the bark has two parts, an outer part, which is potentially rather dangerous, and an inner part, which is the part that is supposed to have a soothing effect. And the thought is, well, if it soothes wounds and cuts, it's probably good for a diaper rash. There is really no good medical literature on whether this is the case. However, it may well be safe and possibly effective. The idea of any baby powder is to dry up excess moisture. Moisture that's retained in the diaper area can lead to yeast infections and maceration of the skin, which is really quite uncomfortable. So the idea is to dry it out. Anytime you're using a baby powder, you want to be careful the baby does not inhale the powder. That's not how it's to be used. So you might put it on your hands away from the baby's face and then gently apply it to the diaper area. That's true for any of the baby powders, not just slippery elm. Always watch for a possible reaction. Anything can cause an allergic reaction. Slippery elm, being an herbal agent coming from a plant, is certainly a possible allergen. So if you see the rash getting worse, if there's bleeding, if there are pustules that look like they might drain pus, all those things are abnormal and need to be evaluated by a doctor. So try the slippery elm. If it helps, great. But if the diaper rash is getting worse or looks unusual or has pustules, time to get that baby to see a doctor. Talking about using slippery elm powder for baby diaper rash, I'm Dr. David Hill.